Did you wake up feeling heavy in your core, disconnected from your body, like your posture's been slumped since last week? That's not just physical, that's your nervous system asking for structure. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a silent strength move. Come to all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Reach and lengthen, then slowly pull elbow to knee beneath your body and repeat. Your body doesn't need chaos this morning, it needs control. I promise this re-engages your core, stabilizes your spine, and recenters your breath in under 30 seconds. Beginners, keep your toes down and move slowly. Advanced switches, hold at the top for 2 seconds before contracting. Bird dogs are used in physical therapy to treat back pain because they build a real stability. Five more seconds here, and then we mirror it. Left arm forward, right leg back. Reset your spine and activate your back line. This isn't about speed, it's about presence. I promise it wakes up deep stabilizers in your core that crunches can't even touch. Beginners, focus on balance and breath. Advanced switches, add a light resistance band if you want to level up in the future. Can you hold your balance without wobbling? That just reset your spine. Now let's fire up your hips. Stand tall, pull your right knee up, rotate it out to the side or rotate it toward the inside. Then step down. Repeat on the left, keep alternating. This is your dynamic posture reset, like oiling the joints after a long freeze. I promise you this improves coordination, hip mobility, and preps your nervous system for focused movement. Beginners, keep the rotation small. Advanced switches, add a gentle core twist at the top. The next move will unlock your hip flexors even deeper. Let's play a little game. Can you keep rhythm for 10 more seconds without missing a beat? Now we build strength through the twist. Step your right foot forward into a lunge and left hand plants on the ground. Right arm reaches up to the ceiling and twists open. You're wringing out the tension. I promise the stretch realigns the hip flexor and spine while opening your chest and improving digestion. Beginners, drop your back knee and focus on the reach. Advanced stretches, keep the back leg extended for more intensity. Can you spiral 1 inch higher? 5 more seconds. Lock that in and let's balance it out. Switch sides, left foot forward, right hand down, left arm to the sky. This is your finishing stretch. Finish strong. I promise this ends the routine with a powerful balance of core activation and hip release, resetting your body for movement and stillness. Beginners, keep the twist subtle. Advanced switches, try stacking your shoulders perfectly. Can you hold the twist for 5 more seconds, even when your body wants out? You did that. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start, all delivered daily to your email inbox. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.